Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live price change occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and I'm also show you as it a best time to sell, buy or hold Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see, as you know that it is the start of new month April. What's the price change occur in the Zilliqa, and what should you do in the start of this month, as you should do to buy, sell or hold Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. I'm going to show you in this interesting video. So before starting this interesting video, please click the subscribe button right now and hit my 3k subscriber. Please, my wish to hit 3k subscribers. So first of all, please click the subscribe button now. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour. As you can see here, they falls down. As you can see, the previous 2 hours Zilliqa cryptocurrencies falls down continuously, and at the last of this hour they take a jump, as you can see here at this time. And if you see the current situation of the Zilliqa, so they are again ready for falling, and the average changes in Zilliqa in the previous 2 hours is about negative 1.29% change occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So in this time the question is why they are falling down, with the hour by hour, why they are falls down. As you know, that is the start of a new month, that is why they falls down, that is why they falls down very badly. As you can see, continuously falls down. Why they are falls down? Because continuously people want to sell it. As you know, that is the start of new month, that is why a lot of people want to sell it, and a lot of a very big, a little amount of people want to buy Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So that is why they take a small jump, and a lot of people want to sell it, that is why they take a high falls, as you can see here. So friends, soon they are in positive, because after a 5th March, their jumping time starts, because after a 5th March a lot of people wake up and buy Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, because they start jumping in after a 5th March. So that is why my suggestion for all of you, in this time, if you are a Zilliqa holder, so my suggestion, hold Zilliqa with the last of this month. This month is very helpful for all of you. Zilliqa cryptocurrencies make in this month you a millionaire soon. As you can see here, the high price of Zilliqa in the previous last 2 hours is about dollar 0.207109 is the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Now let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the previous last 1 hour? Friends, and one important talk is to please also share your opinion in the comment box, as it best time to sell, buy or hold Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the market. As you can see here on the screen, that is a live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, they falls down, and again they take a jump. As you can see here, after a small falls they take a jump, and now currently, as you can see here, at this time, and this time they take a falls down, as you can see here. And now currently, if we see the current situation, at this time situation of the Zilliqa is to jumping upward. So at this time people sell it, and now currently at this time people want to buy it. So their buying time starts soon, after 5th month. A lot of people want to buy it, that is why their jumping time is start now. That is why currently a lot of people want to sell it, that is why they fall down. As you can see, the changes is about negative 0.02% change occur in the Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is about dollar 0.204151 is the high price of Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. Friends, that is the live price prediction you are watching now on Abby's Tech channel. If you want this kind of more news and update about Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, so please remember that subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos.